Yes, good morning, students. Let's start the next question. See, question number 6. In the previous video, we have done till 5. This is the question number 6. Calculate value of output and gross value added at MP. Let's see the item numbers and items. Opening stock, closing stock, purchase of raw material, sales, indirect taxes and subsidies. These are given. We'll have to find out value of output and gross value added at market price. GVMP means GDPMP. Let's start. Page number 4, 1.0102 and question number 6. Page 4.102. Question number 6. 4 means chapter number 4. Page number 102. Question number 6. Calculate value of output and GDPMP. See, sales plus change stock is equal to value of output. We are given question item number 4 and item number 2 minus 1. This is change stock, this is sales. That is equal to value of output. 10,000 plus 800 minus 1,000, that is minus 200. 10,000 minus 200 equal to rupees 9,800 crore. This is value of output. Sales plus change stock is equal to value of output. This is change stock, this is sales. Sales plus change stock is equal to rupees 9,800 crore. This is your value of output, and here also we'll have to mention the units, rupees and crore. Second, value of output minus IC is equal to GDPMP. Value of output we already know, 9,800 we already calculated. That is 9,800 minus 200, that is our IC, equal to 9,600 rupees crore. This is GDPMP. GDPMP, there are two parts of this question. One is value of output, second is GDPMP. In the first part we already calculated 9,800, that is value of output. In the second, GDPMP, that is 9,600 crore. Now this is the question number 6. Now next question. You can take the screenshot of this one. I already sent PDF in your group. You can take it from there also. Now question number 7. See, page numbers 4.102, same at the same page number. Question number 7. Calculate sales. Here, how do we get sales? NVFC plus depreciation plus NIT, that is equal to GDPMP. In the last question we have seen sales plus change stock is equal to value of output. In this question I read the statement. Please you also check in your book. Question number 7. What is given? NVFC, net addition to stocks, that is change in stock. GST, that is IT. Depreciation, intermediate consumption and subsidy. See here, NVFC plus depreciation plus NIT, net in net tax, that is equal to GDPMP. Here question number, item number 1, that is your net value added at FC, that is given. Fourth item, depreciation plus NIT. NIT is IT minus subsidy. Item number 3 minus item number 6, that is our NIT, means GST minus subsidy, that is 25. 300 plus 10 plus 25, that is 335 rupees. 335 crore is GDPMP. But we need to find out sales. How do we find sales? We know that value of output is equal to sales plus in stock, and value of output minus IC is equal to GDPMP. Sales plus change, so that this part is called value of output minus IC is equal to GDPMP. We need to find out only this one, sales plus change stock. We put the value of change stock minus IC. This is IC, item number 5, that is equal to 335. Sales we need to find out, sales plus 2 is change stock, and change stock is given in minus in negative form. So we'll take minus 20 minus 100, that is IC, equal to 335. And your final answer will be 335. We'll change the value this side, that will be plus 120, that is equal to 455. 455 lakh rupees is sales. This is your final answer. Understand? All the questions are based on same formula. Just you need to know only value of output is equal to sales plus change in stock minus IC, that is equal to GDPMP, minus DEP minus NIT, that is equal to NVFC. You may be find out, you may be given these items, you may be asked to find out sales, maybe IC, maybe change stock, maybe value of output, maybe depreciation or NIT, any may be asked. Just you will have to connect the formula from ascending to descending order or descending to ascending order only. And I already discussed all the formula in the class as well as in the video, and just in the last videos which have been already uploaded on the channel, there you will find all the formulas are given there. Just you go through all the formula and these questions will be so easy for you. But I once again would like to request you to solve all the questions. Don't copy the numericals. Do all these numericals in your fair notebook with the date. Now question number 7a, calculate IC. Just I already told you, intermediate consumption we need to find out. You may be asked anyone, value of output, sales, IC, NIT, IT, subsidy, NVFC, GDPMP. We can find out anyone, but with the help of formula only. Just I read the statement. 7, page number same. See, page number 4.102, question number 7a. See, what I am discussing these questions have already given in the final exam of CBSE. CBSE All India or Delhi or CBSE Foreign or Compartment. This question have come in 2019 Delhi Compartment. Now statement, gross value of output. Value of output is always gross value of output. NVFC, subsidies, depreciation, these 4 items are given and we need to find out IC. See, let's start. NVFC plus depreciation plus NIT, that is equal to GDPMP. Okay, put the value in the formula. Item number 2 plus item number 4. IT is not given, so we'll take IT only, minus third item, that is subsidy, is equal to GDPMP. IT is not given, so we'll take it 0 because it is assumed 0 if any item is not given, and but that is given in the formula. 100 plus 30 plus IT 0 minus 15, that is equal to GDPMP, open the bracket. 130 minus 15, that is equal to 115 crore. So this 115 crore is GDPMP, but we need IC, and we know that value of output minus IC is equal to GDPMP. GDPMP already found, so 300 value of output is given, minus IC is equal to 115. See, IC is equal to 300 minus 115, that is rupees 185 crore. This is your final answer. Value of output minus IC is equal to GDPMP, or we can call it value of output minus GDPMP is equal to IC. And intermediate course is, this is value of output, this is your GDPMP, and 185 rupees crore is final answer, that is your intermediate consumption. This is simple question, easy question. Do the next one. Now question number 8, page number 4.103, means next page. Question number 8, calculate NVFC or NDPFC. I read the statement. Particulars are given. consumption of fixed capital, that is your depreciation. GST means IT. Output sold means number of units sold. Price per unit of output, price of output. No net change in stock means change in stock. Intermediate cost means intermediate consumption. Subsidy, that is the part of NIT. The items are given. Let's start. How do we get sales? In the previous question, sales is given directly, but here they have given us price per unit and units produced. So what we'll do to get sales? Output sold into, this is not X, please, this consider for multiplication. Output sold into price per unit will get the total sales. See, sales plus change in stock, that is closing stock minus opening stock, minus IC, that is equal to GDP MP. Item number 3 into item number 4. Item number 3 is output sold units, that is 2000. Price per unit is 10. 2000 into 10, that is 20,000. This is your total sales. Plus change in stock, closing stock minus opening stock. Closing stock is 50 and opening stock is 10,000. You are given change in stock is minus 50 and IC is given 10,000. This is what? 20,000 is your total sales, minus 50 is your change in stock, and IC is 10,000. Will actually subtract. This will be 9,950. Again, please, 20,000 is sales, 50 is change in stock, 10,000 is intermediate consumption. Where sales plus change stock minus IC, that is equal to 9950. Now the question is, why do we are subtracting change stock, but in the formula it is added? Please see, check your item, that is given in minus, that is net change in stock, that is minus 50. So we are taking minus 50. We are not going to subtract, we are adding, but that is given in minus form. That's the reason. Now we need finally the NVFC. How do we get NVFC plus depreciation plus NIT is equal to GDPMP? So what we'll do, put the value NVFC plus one item number. First item number is depreciation plus NIT. NIT is what? IT minus subsidy. IT is given in form of GST. Check your item number second, that is GST, that is given 400. So item number 1 NVFC plus 6 and depreciation plus IT, that is 400 GST minus 500, that is given subsidy. So if we solve this one, this will be minus 100. 600 minus 100, that is 500. So how do we get NVFC? NVFC is equal to 9950. We take the value this side. 9950 minus 500, that is equal to 9,450 rupees crore. That is your final answer. This is what NVFC. NVFC means NDP FC. Once again, in this question we need to find out NVFC, but here total sales are not given. We are given value of output given sold in form of units and price per unit. What we'll do, value to find out sales, output sold into price per unit, that is sales plus change stock minus IC, that is GDPMP. Units are 2000, price is 10, 2010, that is 20,000, that is total sales, minus change in stock because negative value is given, minus IC, that is 10,000 equal to 9950 rupees crore. NVFC, that is equal to depreciation plus NIT is equal to GDPMP. and NVFC plus this is depreciation, this is NIT equal to GDPMP, and NVFC is equal to 9950 minus 500, that is equal to 9450 rupees crore. This is your final answer, and you will solve all these questions sold and unsold in your fair notebook. You will take only the item number like this, item name like this, number like this, and value like this. You will follow this one. You will not copy the statements in the given question. Just you will take these 3 points: item name, number, and values. And if you have any doubt, mark the questions I already told in the previous videos. Send to me in the personal chat, and will discuss the doubts. Okay, thank you. In the next videos, we will discuss income method numericals. And please watch the videos, revise your syllabus, and in next 1 or 2 days, by Tuesday, I will send you the test paper also. Just try that test paper also at home. Thank you.